Hey everybody, today we're going to go over how to install one of our bows. When you get the product, it comes out of the box, you're going to notice the wire is rolled up here in the back. What you want to do is just take it and unroll this wire, and then we're going to separate these two wires like so. One important thing to note is, we tie it on back here, so whenever you separate these wires, you don't want to undo this right here, because this is what is holding your tail on the bow. So once you have it like this, we're going to go ahead and install it. We're going to put it on the board today, but you could imagine putting it on a wreath or a pole. So you just want to place the bow up. Then we're just going to take these wires here and pull them around and give them a couple of twists. 3 or 4 times is usually good. And then you can always take your excess and just roll it back and tuck it back into your foliage, or however you need to do it. And then you just want to make sure the bow is positioned properly. You can move it around and adjust it. You can let the tails hang naturally like this, or with the wire that we use in our product, you can shape it. So if you want to make it kind of wavy looking, just play with it to get the look that you're going for, and you'll be ready to go. Another thing that pops up from time to time, sometimes in shipping, maybe the loops get mashed down just a little bit. Again, not really a problem with our wire. You just come in, and I just use my thumbs and kind of fluff it back up, and you're good to go.